Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix messy hair inside of Photoshop 2025. Let's not waste any time and dive straight in. This is the image that we're going to be working with. If you want to follow along, there's a link in the description below. So, how are we going to fix this messy hair? Well, we're going to use Photoshop's AI to do all of the heavy lifting for us. To begin with, all you need to do is make a selection of the hair you want to tidy. For this, I'm going to use the lasso tool, with the keyboard shortcut being L, and then you can use Shift plus L to cycle through your selection tools. To get the best result, I would recommend doing this in two sections, so let's start on the right hand side. With the layer selected, simply start creating a selection, making sure that you capture all of the stray hairs. When you're happy with your selection, you'll see a generative fill box in the bottom of the screen. Click into this, and then we're going to type in a prompt, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use smooth hair and see what it comes back with. Photoshop's AI is powerful, but it won't always return the best results. For example, I'm not happy with any of these, so let's be a bit more descriptive and try something like remove stray hairs. All you need to do is simply type this into the prompt box and it will regenerate an image based on your new prompt. As you can see, this has done a much better job, so try and be as descriptive as you can. Now let's repeat the same process on the left hand side, making our selection and then using our prompt remove stray hairs. And again, this is already looking quite good. One of the downsides of generative fill is it doesn't always return the best results, and I definitely wouldn't use this on a commercial project. This is just a quick fix when you're tight on time. That's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to help other people find it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks again.